here we are with the Powerstage 6S battery and charger bundle. Comes with two 3S 5000 milliamp hour LiPo batteries. It has the Passport dual port AC charger, and it has a variety of AC adapters for the batteries. This was Horizon Hobby. So let's see what we have going on. Warning, never leave the charger unattended. Exceeding maximum charge rate. Charge with incompatible batteries or charge in the wrong mode. Failure to comply. Blah, 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 blah. We all know how bad that can end up. Okay, the packing's done pretty well. There's some extra boxes in here to keep everything from moving around. We have two Reaction 2 3S50C batteries. These do have a 1-year warranty supposedly, but they also have a 50C discharge rate, high capacity long run times, and 3C charge rating. There are two that come in this kit. Okay. And then we have in the box, obviously, the Passport Ultra. This is pretty nice. It does have an app as well. I will install that and let you know. But basically, it is a 100 watt AC DC charger, 2 channels, and it can charge different kinds of batteries at the same time. It will also work on DC, multi-channel, 5-year warranty. So, packed very well. This is also a Horizon Hobby branded. They are a distributor for a lot of the manufacturers. Nice instruction manual, which should be read. Packed very well, foam. Okay, so here are the balance cards. And in addition, if you can see in here, are all of the adapter charges from DYN's, DC5, etc. Lots of different types in here. Okay, there she is. All of our ports. It's got a great display, pretty straightforward controls. AC adapter in the back. DC power in the back. It's a special connection. There's your model number and information of the charger itself. So we'll plug it in and check it out. We also have our cooling fan on both sides. There's really only one fan. This is an input and an exhaust. So we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. So as you can see here, here's my charging station. Using the balance boards. We got our Reaction 3S50C batteries. It's pretty straightforward, the connections, lots of paperwork here, but this thing is actually just giving me a timer. It also has Bluetooth capabilities. So again, we have fire brick, just in case. This is temporary. I will be just putting it somewhere out on the floor once I make some room. Anyways, see how it goes.